How to recover your Gmail password without phone number or recovery email. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover Gmail password without phone number or recovery email. So let's get started. So what you're going to do is first of all, head over to your Safari, go to the search bar and search for Google account recovery page. And after that, press go. And after that, you're going to click on Google account recovery page. So once you do so, you will be redirected to account recovery option. Now over here, you're going to type down your email. So I'm going to type down my email real quick. So once you have typed down your email, what you're going to do is click on next. And now over here, you're going to type down your password. But obviously, if you don't remember your password, you can click on try another way. So this will direct you to other recovery options. So Google confirm this phone is yours. This helps show that it's really you trying to sign in. So you're going to sign in with the device that you have already used in order to get signed in past. And then you're going to click on continue. And once you do so, you'll be able to see options like this, such as update password or continue. So during recovery, you could get a notice if you've already logged into your Gmail or Google account on another device. You may confirm your identification and log into your account using notification to properly finish the verification procedure and adhere to the on-screen instruction. So what you're going to do is you can click on update password if you wish to update password, or you can click on continue. And once you do so, you'll be redirected to a security checkup page and you can verify using phone number or recovery email. So you need to set both of them and you can click on continue once done. And now you can see that you have successfully logged into your Google account. The reason you easily logged into your Google account was that you are using the same device. So if you're not using the same device that you used earlier, there might be some complications in order to get access to that account again. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.